Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is Friday, September 25th, 11:30 a.m. my time, New York time. Just wanted to go over some of the latest updates in the CFD and in the market here for CFD and Forex using the Oanda data. This is following a video I put out yesterday, or last night I should say, and the title was Are FX and CFD Market Normalizing? So just wanted to confirm that, let the US markets run for a little bit today, and report back to see what I'm seeing, if there's been any difference from last night and today. So let's go through it. So we've done the harmonic scans. We're looking for longs. We've got nothing but shorts, so I won't mention them. If you want to know more about some of those, and you're on the podcast, you're probably better off to watch that previous video. Here's an interesting thing I haven't seen in a while. SPX 500, we got a long. That is rare. I haven't seen that in a while. We also have a long on the USD 10-year. And now we're starting to see some more longs here. So that means that the market has strengthened. Support's established. Euro against the Swiss franc has got a long. And this is where things get funky. As I said earlier last night, USD and Japanese yen's got a long. I've seen that come and go, but it looks pretty established now. Silver, both in Australian, Canadian, is a long with an excellent score. XCU also has a short, so I believe that's copper. And again, we have another long on the US 2000. That's the Russell. The USD 10-year. Thailand's down. Australia's up. That's the 200. SPX 500 is up as well. It's a long. So it looks like the US not really up, but the markets are up as well. So I got to keep a tighter lid on that. I'm going to do another video later today about the crypto market, where we're going to go with that, because it's been flat, and I've been here probably the third time this year regarding that. So we got, again, USD, Japanese yen's along, the wheat short. We got some other Forex combos. Now, this is the one I'm more interested in, is Brent crude. You can see we have a long here. So that's pretty interesting. One of the big players, I think it was ConocoPhillips, said that the market's coming back. So maybe it is. Maybe the U.S. economy is starting to improve. Maybe, and it's all dependent upon, of course, the bad news of the coronavirus. So if that's the case, and then things start to normalize there, we can start to see recovery. Germany's down, 3 shorts here. So if you want to play the short, that's the place to go. EU 50 has a long, oddly. NASDAQ is another long there. SPX. Now, okay. So when I say longs, we've got 2 SPX 500. One's a short, one's a long. So it looks like we can say that the longs are still there for the U.S. markets. U.S. bond, the U.S. 30. Don't know if that's really meaningful. 5-year has a long. 10-year has a long. Now China, 2 shorts here. It looks like, yeah, we got 2 shorts here. Not good for that. Euro, British pound, there's a short there. Euro in Swiss franc has a long. Now, British pound in New Zealand, long. British pound in the Swiss franc, a long. Here's one we haven't seen in a while, the USD Mexico. I wouldn't even look at that. That's very unpredictable. That's up and down. It looks like it does have a steady move up. XAG, so more silver. More longs here in euro and in British pounds. So silver looks pretty solid. Hong Kong dollar, and also the yen as well, and even New Zealand dollars, Singapore dollar. Okay, so we're good with that. Now here comes gold. We have gold and silver long, silver in Singapore long, platinum in USD is long. So everything's starting to look really good. Another short for the 30. I'm not going to really worry about that. The USB 5-year Treasury's long, 10-year long, 30-year is long. Even the Brent crude oil is up again with a long. So that's looking good. That's the second one. Here comes another NASDAQ. Long again. SPX 500. Okay, so there's a short there. SPX got another long. So overall, I'm pretty confident here with the U.S. markets right now. Seeing that U.S. INR, I wouldn't get too confident with that. Again, we have a second long here in the USD Mexico peso. That's just to a very good, and the U.S. Thai baht. Then we're getting a good and fair. So I'm going to leave it there. Everything still hasn't changed much, but the one I'm liking is definitely the U.S. markets. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and have yourselves a good day.